the launchilekku kadakam. So the launch ആകുമ്പോൾ we need to have a chief guest. Chief guest ഇപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Trust me, every time I look at that man, I'm skipping a heartbeat right from the beginning. Kochi airport. I'm absolutely shameless to say that, okay? And he landed at the Kochi airport, straight to the venue. He's here. He's incredibly handsome and he is a brilliant actor. He has made us Malayalis super proud of whatever he has did. He's the heartthrob of all us women all across the globe. One big round of applause for the chief guest of the day and of course the producer of the movie Mike. We have John Abraham. Everyone, let's make some noise for him. Well, oh my God. Welcome. Now I'm going to hand over the mic to you. Please speak to your fans.
A very good evening to all of you. My sincere apologies, first of all. We were supposed to start this event at 7:30. My flight was on the runway in Mumbai. So sincere apologies that we're running half an hour late. Ginu, great job. Thank you for introducing me so graciously. It's a very proud moment for me to be here, coming back home and introducing this film Mike, directed by Vishnu, starring Ranjit and Aishwarya. And well, we're still into shooting and we're having a great time. I've seen a lot of the rushes, I must say. And I always believed that Malayalam cinema probably today, as far as this country goes, provides the best content in this country, literally so. And the natural progression for me as a producer would be to work on original content from the cinema, which is why I'm here and which is why I'm proudly presenting Mike. And just a little more about Mike. First, I just want to introduce someone really special to you, a reason why this film has happened. And that's my good friend Edgar Pinto. Edgar, come here. Come here. Edgar has actually helped me a lot in sourcing material, and I've always wanted to come down south to the Malayalam film industry and make films happen. I'm happy it's finally, don't be shy, Edgar. You can come. You know, I'm happy it's finally happening. And before I took this project up, and it happened even with Vicky Dono. When I took up Vicky Dono, a lot of people told me I'm making the wrong choice and it's not a smart film to do. It was way beyond its time, and they asked me, the director then told me that, John, are you the perfect guy for this role? Would you do it? And I told him, I'm not the perfect guy for this role. I'll get you the perfect actor for this role. And that's where we got this young actor called Ayushmann Khurrana, who's made such a big mark for himself. We're all so proud of him. Similarly, we're a production house because we want to launch original content. We want to work with fresh faces. I proudly introduce Ranjit to you. Ranjit, come on stage. New talent, and I must say this about Ranjit. I've been seeing some of your content. I've been watching the rushes of the film on an everyday basis. We've still got 20 days of shoot left, and about 3 weeks left, and it's very, very exciting. I'd like to get Aishwarya up on stage. Come. This girl will blow everybody's mind. Huh? Come. And I'd like to get the most important person without which this film wouldn't be possible, and that's our director, Vishnu. Come. Vishnu's made this film happen. And like I said, it's all about content. We make good films. We make not so good films. It's all a process. And that's what I was just telling Ranjit and Aishwarya when we were sitting there. I said, do not concentrate on the result of whatever you're doing. Concentrate on the process. And be concerned about what you're doing in this process. Because life's a journey. Each one of you has a journey. The journey has just begun. So it's a great process, and where content is concerned, I was very particular that I get a narration and I listen to the script before we okay anything. And I remember Vishnu coming down, narrating the film in my office in Mumbai, and I had my producer from my Hindi film sitting with me, and she's got a great eye for content, you know, and she broke down crying in the middle of listening to the film, and she was wiping her tears, and she's like, "This is really moving me. This is really moving me." And I take cues from everywhere, so I just looked at her and said, "Ah, it's working, it's working," and you know, and that's why we're here. Mike's a beautiful story. For me, Mike's a journey. It's more than a slice of life. It's a progression of two people, two characters in this film, and I think it's being beautifully told by Vishnu. I get a report on an everyday basis, Sanjeev, and I get a report on an everyday basis from Eddie on what's happening on the set, what we've got in terms of a camera, what shot has been done. And it's a beautiful process, and Eddie, thank you so much for actually making this happen, because you're very responsible for it. And thank you to each one of you for being here. My sincere apologies again, we're half an hour late, so my sincere apologies. But thank you to each one of the guests out here, the cast, the crew, each one of you sitting here giving an audience. Thank you so much, all the beautiful women, all the handsome men. And like I say, always proud to be a Mallu.
Since because you're proud to be a Mallu, anything in Malayalam you would love to tell us?
My Malayalam is very cultural. When I want tea, I say, "Aniki chudu chai." I just ask for my chai or my cold water. You know, so I just know a little here and there, but I love Mallu food, and I love puttu. And I love all the appams, and I enjoy that. So when I was shooting for Madras Cafe, we were shooting in Kochi, and I was staying at Eddie's Hotel, Old Harbour, and I think every day there was a carton of appams and all that used to come for me. I think I became happy and healthy. But I love the food from here.
No, you're still fit and young and super handsome. ഈ തണുത്ത വെള്ളം ചൂട് വെള്ളം എന്നുള്ള വാക്കുകൾക്കൊക്കെ ഇത്ര ഭംഗിയുണ്ടെന്ന് ഇപ്പോഴാണ് മനസ്സിലായത്. Anyway, I think you have to start doing your job, which is to launch the first look poster of our movie. Okay. Right, here we go. So that is it. You wanted to play it again? You want to see it again? Huh? It is already here. Like Sangeeta? Alright. So this is the first look poster of Mike being presented to you by J Entertainment. So I would now love to request John Abraham to please kindly join me back on stage. This time together with him, I would also be inviting the cast and crew as well. Starting off with both of you can join. Plus the director of the movie, Vishnu Shivaprasad. He has proven his mettle at the age of 23 with his debut feature film. We have Ranjan Sajeev, we have Anashwara Rajan, the very beautiful lady. Ranadive, known for his cinematography for Anju Sundarigal, Comrade in America, Vijay Super and Kaunaveo, Argentina fans, Cartoon Kadavu and Shiloh. Can I have you on stage please, sir, Mr. Ranadive? Here. Okay. The writer Ashik Ali Akbar. This is a coming of age story, and as far as we know, it is beautifully written by Mr. Ashik. Please, sir. The editor, Mr. Vivek Harsha, is a national award-winning editor. Mr. Vivek. Stage again. Last but not the least, the very important person as far as this movie is concerned, Mr. Edgar Pinto, the head, JA Entertainment South. Welcome, sir. Alright. How sweet is our producer? Would you see that? Receiving every artist, every crew, every casting person, taking care of every one of them. You're too lucky. Well now, let's say cheers and pose for a group photo session. Maybe you can come forward. So that's a teamwork. I'm sure this movie is going to do great. So this is a group photo session. നേരത്തെ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റാതിരുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉള്ളൊരു അവസരമാണത്. You have very important people related to the movie. Nine.
This is the best press conference where there are no questions. I love this. I love this. This is super. I love coaching. Okay. Yes,
Somebody
yes,
call
Margaret.
John, sir.
So how do you balance your career with variety movies are there? Also you are balancing it with the commercial ones. How do you balance your career with the commercial ones as well as variety
So
movies?
that's a very good question. You have to balance commerce with content, and usually if you can marry the two, then you've got a magic potion. Most of the times that doesn't happen. So we make commercial films, they work, sometimes they fail. Where J Entertainment is concerned, we curate all our content. We work on our content. Usually the germ happens from my brain. I decide that I want to make a film on nuclear testing, or I feel that I need to make a film on the assassination of my ex-prime minister, and then we write for months and months and months, and there have been more films, more scripts than the ones we released, that after working on it for about 2 years, we've just taken it and thrown it in the bin. It's never seen the light of day after a script stage. So we curate our content, we work a lot on it as J Entertainment, and we want to launch fresh talent. And that's how we want to do it on the content front. Now when this content becomes successful, then it becomes commercial. So that's how we work. A good film is a good film, a not so good film is a not so good film. But the idea is to make a different film, a film that the audience sees for the first time. So that's what J Entertainment and that's what our production house really concentrates on, creating original content and different content.
So when it came to J Entertainment, you have introduced something like Ayushmann Khurrana. So what we can expect from the South cinema, from J Entertainment?
I can speak about the film. First, the fact that we're making a great story is good in itself. We've got a director who understands his craft, who's explained his craft very clearly as to how he sees the story. We've got two very able talent, and many more in fact, in the film. From the rushes that I've been seeing, I've been enjoying the process. But again, and this is, I really don't want to sit here and try and market a film when it's not ready. You never know how a film turns out till it's not put together. Scenes in individual spaces look really lovely. Once we put the film together, which is what I was telling Vishnu, we'll see how the film comes together, and we hope we make a good film by the end of it, and that's the aim. You know?
Apart from this Mike Entertainment, about Pathan upcoming.
That's a long way away. It's a long way away.
Thank you.
Chris, where are these?
ഒന്ന് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ചോദിക്കണം. Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Hi, John sir. Myself, Diana Honey. I'm portraying role of Swati in this film. So, you said when Vicky Donner came to you, you found the concept very novel and it was ahead of its time. So, I would say Mike has also got a very new and novel concept. It can also be said it's ahead of its time. Very much different and unique its concept. So I want to know how confident you are and what do you think about how our audience will welcome our film, its concept. How our audience is going to enjoy this film.
I think it, you know, as a Hindi film producer, if I was speaking as a Hindi film producer,
Okay.
I'd want to remake Mike into Hindi.
Super.
You know,
Awesome. Yes.
so that's a big parameter in how you want to judge this. So when I give the one line, in our parlance we call it a one-liner. Can you narrate the story in one line? So when I narrate this idea to a lot of my producer director friends, they say, hey, we want to make this in Hindi. So that's a big indicator as to how excited
It's
people are
about-
about the subject.
Yes.
And the subject's really, really beautiful. It's a stunning subject.
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for the question. Who else?
John sir, give me fitness tips for us. Fitness tips. Fitness tip.
I can give it to you, but if you don't follow it, then what?
I'll follow it.
Follow it, okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So don't drink, don't smoke. My father loves the single malt, I'm a Mallu, don't forget. So I'd say, you have to be on a very, very strict diet. I've not had sugar in the past, I think 30 plus years. So I'm very regimental about my food. I train every day. I'm predominantly practically vegan, but I'm vegetarian. So I've turned vegetarian. So I'm speaking.
What about protein?
I'm speaking to plant-based. So I'm speaking to an audience that really finds this concept very different and novel. But if you really want to lead a very disciplined life, it will take me a long time, and I can explain to you, and you could transform yourself. It's worth the effort. Trust me.
Thank you.
Okay, about start from tomorrow on the list. Okay, so next question.
മലയാളം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചോദിക്കാം ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തായിരിക്കും ഇനി മീഡിയ
John sir, will we ever get to see Kabir magic again? Will we ever get to see the Kabir magic again?
We're planning something in that space, probably for 2023. Cool. We hope it turns out the way we want it to turn out. Can only hope for the best.
All are looking forward to it.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much.
When can we see you in a Malayalam movie?
I'll need Vishnu and Ranjita Nash to really help me with this whole process now. And if they can take me through this process, I'll definitely do it. And I've got enough friends here now who can help me with this process, and we'll set up something interesting. But yeah, I wouldn't mind actually to start with, and on a very serious note, at least do some kind of an appearance to get myself and step in here, because I'm such a big fan of the cinema, of the actors here, be it Mohanlal sir, Mammootty sir, be it Prithvi, be it you mentioned everybody, Dulquer, you mentioned everybody is so fantastic here. Fahad Fasil, I saw Malik and I fell in love with it. It is so beautiful, and every film, Ayappan Koshi, every film is so evolved, so lovely, that I've become such a big fan. So it's an honor actually for me to be working in this space. Now I have to find my foothold, learn the ways, and probably grow in this space.
Yeah. Yes. So that was one from me. And now?
Hi sir, my name is Naveen and I'm from Cinema Pagal. And so I've been following you for, I think since Doom. And I've seen you as a producer in the Bollywood film, I've seen you in different roles. So, as your new step as a Malayalam film producer, how do you feel, sir? What has been your experience altogether?
I think it's been very seamless till now. I heard a narration of a story. I fell in love with it. I just thought it needed to be made. We've got the people around who are making it. And I hope the experience is beautiful when it completely works. But like I was just telling Ranjit and Aishwarya, I said, concentrate on the process so concentrate on the means rather than the end. So what's important is you enjoy the journey, and I'm really enjoying this journey. And I'm very actively involved from Mumbai because Eddie's in touch with me. He'll call me and he'll ask me, John, tell me a little more about the Phantom camera. Why are we taking it? What are we doing with it? You know, and then I'll sit and I'll explain everything to him, and then he'll say, John, it's raining today, not a good day. So, you know, every day's been a battle, every day's been interesting. I think we've gone over by a few days, but I told Eddie, just concentrate on the process now and make sure that, you know, and the film's so beautifully shot. It's stunningly shot, and I saw I saw the lineup. And it's so beautifully written also because everything I've been watching is working. Each scene works so beautifully, and it's in isolation. Now you need to see the film being put together. But the process has been lovely, to answer your question. It's been really, really seamless, and that's when you know things are okay. You know?
So you have been really inspiring to a lot of people, and we all hope that we get to see your Malayalam films very soon. As a producer, as an actor, and maybe as a singer too, because I've heard your few interviews where you have sang few Malayalam bits.
If I sing, you'll all run away, huh?
Definitely we won't, sir. We won't.
But honestly, but you know, honestly, as a producer first, I really want. It's a long stay for me. I want to be here. Thank you for your wishes. I really want to be here, and I really want to make good films, and good films happen. And I believe this is the hotbed of the best cinema in the country. So I really want the best cinema in the country to make even better films. So then we can go and show the world what we're capable of, you know.
So on behalf of Cinema Park, we wish Nick and all of John Abraham Entertainment good luck, and we are hoping to see the movie soon.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, I was just discussing. Alright. Next question.
J Entertainment ബാനറിൽ മൈക്ക് എന്നുള്ള മൂവി ജോൺ അബ്രഹാം സാർ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴേക്കും ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ഇവിടെ അനുശ്വരം പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റും റൈറ്റും ഇരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ഈ പടത്തില് ആദ്യം അഭിനയിച്ചപ്പോ ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് കിട്ടുമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള ആ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് രണ്ടുപേരും പറയാമോ?
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjit. Like first experience in like acting has been something, performing has been something, and I'm pretty passionate ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമായിരുന്നു. കൊച്ചിലെ തന്നെ dancing and stage performances, I've been really enjoying that, and luckily I have really such amazing parents who support me through this journey. And you know, to get this opportunity is such a blessing, Satyam Baranya, and not only that, I'm sitting right next to Chaudhary Abraham. Holy, it's a crazy moment, and yeah, but this opportunity is not something that everyone gets, and I want to make sure that I make the best use of it, because this is something I'm truly passionate about. And it's been a surreal experience. Got a hectic on that, like it's a lot of it's a journey. Like John sir said, like you have to enjoy the experience at the end of the day, and we've really been enjoying it. And the casting crew are really amazing, and we honestly cannot wait to show you what we've been cooking up. It's going to be great, and you guys will see soon. Thank you.
Yes, Anushwara. Hi, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ചോദ്യത്തിന് എങ്ങനെ ആൻസർ പറയണമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല. എന്നോട് ഫസ്റ്റ് വിഷ്ണുവേട്ടൻ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് പറയാൻ വരുമ്പോഴും ഇത് ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ്സിന്റെ ആണ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴും ഈ വ്യക്തിയെ കാണണമെന്ന് എനിക്കൊരു ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എനിക്കിപ്പോഴും ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല ഞാൻ ഈ സ്റ്റേജില് ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. ശരിക്കും എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ആണ്, നെർവസ് ആണ്. അത്രേ പറയാനുള്ളൂ.
ഓക്കെ, കഥാപാത്രത്തെ പറ്റി എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുള്ള സമയം ഡയറക്ടർ സാർ സമ്മതിക്കുമോ? ഇല്ല, ഇല്ലോ, സമ്മതിക്കില്ല. നെവർ.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, Jonathan sir. Yeah.
Hi, good evening.
My name is Fawaz, and I've been working out in gym for the last so many years, and it's just because of you. I keep my body maintained, and I've been seeing you from last 10, 15 years, and this is my, what do you say, my hands are shaking, but it's a dream come true, and it's just because of you, I go to gym every day and keep myself fit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Don't ever give up. Just
Never. Thank you, sir.
All right. 2 more questions maybe, and then we shall wind up.
Any Indian friends?
മീഡിയയിൽ നിന്ന് മാർക്കും ചോദിക്കാം, ആരോട് വേണമെങ്കിലും ചോദിക്കാം. 2 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രം എന്നുള്ളതേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഹാൻഡ് റൈസ് ചെയ്ത് മൈക്ക് വിളിക്കാം. ആൻഡ് ഡയറക്ടർ വിഷ്ണു ശിവപ്രസാദ് മീഡിയയില് നമ്മളെ മീഡിയക്കാരെ വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം ആസ് എ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസർ ഈ മൈക്ക് എന്നുള്ളത് പെട്ടെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം ഇവിടെ പ്രസ് മീറ്റിന് വേണ്ടി എത്തുന്നു. അത് തന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു സർപ്രൈസ് ആയിരുന്നു. സോ മലയാള സിനിമയുടെ കാര്യം പറയാമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ടീസറും ട്രെയിലറും ഒക്കെ തൊടാതെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ജോൺ സാർ ഇവിടെ എത്തിയത് വലിയൊരു സസ്പെൻസ് ആണ്. മൈക്കിൽ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാം ഉണ്ടോ?
മൈക്കില് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസർ ജോൺ അബ്രഹാമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി മൈക്കിൽ ജോൺ അബ്രഹാമാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്.
And the last question, anyone? ഞാനിപ്പോ ആരെടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചാലും പ്രോപ്പറാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് വേറെ ആരെങ്കിലും മീഡിയ ആരെങ്കിലും ചോദിച്ചാൽ
ഇല്ല.
ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാം, ജോൺ സാറിന് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട 3 മലയാള ചിത്രങ്ങൾ റീസെന്റ്.
Your 3 recent favorite Malayalam movies.
Well, we have 2 of them. We've got Ayappan Koshi and Nayadu. And Malik. I think these are the 3 films I saw of late. I saw Kala also. Kala. That was fantastic. So some of those, the action in that was outstanding. It's Prabhu has done it, right? The action. Outstanding, Prabhu. Good job. So I think we picked the right cast and the right crew for Mike. And I think we've picked up the best of all the worlds. But yeah, these are the few films that I've enjoyed watching.
So it's clear that he has been watching all the movies that has been recently released in Malayalam. Malayalam കാണുന്നതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ I think you have been watching the Malayalam movies. Anyway.
Yeah, my mom is a non-Malayali. My mom's favorite actor is Mohanlal. So it's simple, you know what I'm saying? It's just cinema transcends every border. And that's why I say good cinema can exist in any language. You don't need language to stop a film. And I think Malayalam cinema has done just that. I'm not saying that because I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here because I mean that. So it's congratulations to all of you.
So it was actually a pleasure having you all here with us. I mean, we cannot just stop staring at you, but still, I think you'll have to leave. We have more important things to do as well. So whatever it is with your life, all the very best to you and for Mike and the entire cast and crew of Mike. Thank you so much. Mike might have related to an audio launch or maybe for some pre-release functions. We shall all see soon. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great journey back home. Have a safe journey back home. Good night and thank you so much, John sir. All the best. Vishnu, Ashwina, Rajit and Sir, thank you so much.